Controversies raging among some Jamaicans over whether or not people should wear masks in public spaces. And as you'll hear in this report from Kalisha Williams, some are even questioning whether the virus is in the island.
In downtown Kingston, the loudest vendor carries home the most cash. Well, at least that's what the vendors say. But there's one big problem. These vendors are not wearing any masks. And physical distancing, not along this street.
People can't bother with a mask in the street. Because we have to communicate to the people and the customers then. Without we are community, them not here we are.
By order under the Disaster Risk Management Act, the government has mandated persons to wear masks in public spaces.
We never really come for stay out here too long still, but so put on my mask. You know, we Jamaicans don't really go by rules, but yeah.
Yeah, but so why you never wear it all day not stay long? You don't feel like COVID?
Why me I tell you the truth, you know, miss me I COVID myself, you know.
What do you mean by that?
COVID not afraid of COVID, miss.
You're not afraid of COVID?
No, to be honest with you, I'm not really afraid of nothing right now, you know, miss. I got my put first.
The government say must wear it in public though.
It is a must.
It is a must. You never know that.
I really watch news, you know, to be honest with you.
The island has recorded over 750 COVID-19 cases since July, but only 124 of those are active. This means over 600 persons have recovered from the virus. As a result, the government has started relaxing the COVID-19 restrictions. But experts have warned that it was too soon. Now it appears there is now a false sense of security in the island.
People have flu and sickness. Don't corona there. What about corona? What corona there, darling?
But you're not a medical expert. How are you saying that?
Huh?
You're not a medical expert. How are you saying people?
You don't have to be a medical expert to know that. You see, if you're a bus driver, no catch a corona, and a taxi driver, no catch a corona. No corona no there, man.
I'm not afraid of no corona or nothing. You can't get me. I think them when I carry kill all bacteria the pray against when I carry. Raw oil of the air freshener, make both the Fabulosus, everything. Where they buy in the shop. It kill all bacteria. I don't believe say alcohol can test it, no time at all.
No, can't protect you if you're dead.
Some persons expressed the same concern we have been hearing for some time now. But according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, wearing masks or other cloth face coverings may help prevent people who have COVID-19 from spreading the virus to others. But in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, they say practice what you preach. But even persons who were selling masks in Halfway Tree were not wearing them.
You're selling masks, you're not wearing any.
Mask is not something nobody can wear because we don't have a phobia. I'm on a put it here.
So how you sell the mask then? How you sell the mask? How people are going to buy it from you then?
I don't mind one. I just buy it for somebody.
These issues are not unique to Jamaica. In places like Florida and Los Angeles in the United States, COVID-19 cases have skyrocketed as persons continue to breach COVID-19 measures. For example, in the Miami-Dade County in Florida, with a population similar to Jamaica, there are over 55,000 COVID-19 cases and over 1,000 deaths. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.